All right, we've got some steady cold rain. It is not a fit day out for man nor beast today. Just one of those raw days. You just want to stay under the blankets. Outside right now, I want to show you first that we do have the winter weather advisory to our north in effect until Friday morning, 6 a.m. Now, Val Verde County, Del Rio, left side of your screen, dropped from the advisory, but it is for Edwards, Real, Bandera, Kerr, and Kendall counties. So it's going to be Rock Springs, Lakey and Camp Wood, Medina, Bandera, Pipe Creek, Medina Lake, Kerrville, Bernie, Comfort, all still possible because we're going to see freezing temperatures out there tonight. And speaking of freezing temperatures, down to the south, Cotulla, Tilden, George West, Beeville, Victoria, Goliad, you're all under a freeze warning for Friday morning. All right, to the radar, and because temperatures have gone to freezing up around Bernie, some of this is showing up on radar, but this is all pretty much liquid. There might be a little bit of sleet mixing in. We're not too concerned with freezing rain. When it's coming down liquid and freezing on contact, you really need 32 or less for several hours to support freezing rain. We're not going to see too much of that in the area, but that steady rain is continuing. Pockets of yellow for some brief downpours in here, and you can see some of those lining up. We don't have to worry about thunderstorms with this, but I'll say this, from San Antonio east, we're going to start seeing some pretty significant ponding. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing like an urban and small stream advisory, mainly because of the amount of water we're going to be dealing with. I put this right on top of the drought report. The drought monitor is underneath this, and you can see this rain is falling right on top of extreme drought. So it's falling exactly where it needs to. Look at all of the snow in North Texas. My daughter lives in Denton, and she had about 6 inches of snow this morning. Incredible. And you can see the backside of this still producing snow around Amarillo, back towards El Paso, and that's mainly because the center of the low is right about here across West Texas. Water vapor will show it to you. You can see where it's deepening right back in here in northern Mexico, just pumping in all this warm, moist air aloft on top of a cold, dense air layer at our surface. And I'll tell you, the difference was really overnight when dew points went from like 12 or 13 in San Antonio all the way up to the mid-30s, and that's where temperatures are. The moisture is going to be moving out by about 4 a.m., but it's because these temperatures in the hill country will be at or below freezing that we could see some of what water's left there freeze up. So we're going to keep a close eye. San Antonio International, pretty socked in with visibility issues. Make sure you call ahead if you're going to be traveling by air. Mid-30s with Castroville, the only exception, at 39 degrees. Your 14-day forecast does begin with overnight. I think this rain, again, continues all evening long, finally tapers off in the overnight hours. Now, Friday, 36 to 46 with the sun coming out on a mostly sunny day. Really nice day. Warming up on Saturday, but a weather impact alert for Saturday morning. Hard freeze in the hill country. Going to be upwards of or down to about 20 or 21. We go to about 27 in the city, then 55, but no moisture. Mostly sunny, 61 on Sunday. Gorgeous day. Notice we hold in the mid-50s, bring back a chance of rain by Wednesday the 15th at about 10%. And then we could even see 70 on Saturday, January 18th. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. We'll be right back.